Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the weekly Forex market update. This is Beyond Dale. I hope you had a good trading week. Now, let's just go right into what is happening in the markets. In front of us, we have the daily chart of the euro versus the US dollar, and the euro remained unchanged for the week. If we take a look at the weekly bars, we see that the market formed a doji for the week. The market traded down but came right back up and formed a doji cross on the week. The same thing happened with the Swiss franc, that we pretty much had a doji forming in the Swiss franc. But the British pound was down over 200 pips. So what is happening in the markets? Is this move, this strength in the US dollar, a new trend that's starting to occur, or is it a retracement of the broader uptrend? Um, a key thing we can look at is the US dollar index, and what we saw last week is that the US dollar index stopped right on resistance, denoted by this red line here. Previous resistance was up here at, it's about 81.50 or so. So the market, this was resistance at 81.50, and the market came back and tested this level and formed a sell signal. So the question is, for the week, will this resistance hold, or will the market continue to move upward? If this resistance level holds, what we could see is the market trade to the downside on the US dollar index. We could see the market trade to the downside to retest the 79 level. If the market does go above this 81.50 level, we could see a further strengthening of the dollar up to about 82 or 82.50 on the US dollar index. Okay, so that's the US dollar index. Translating to the euro, as I said last week, the critical point in the euro for this uptrend to remain valid is this red line I have drawn on the 133. If the market closes below 133, we could see the market decline further to the downside. If the market remains above 133 and gives a buy signal in here somewhere, we could see the market attempt to return to the old highs here at 140. So that is my longer term prediction on the euro. Key resistance is at 134.50 and at 135. If we see the market trade up to 135, that may be evidence that the market will continue to be bullish. And as I said before, if we close below 133, we could see further weakness in the euro currency. Another market of interest is the Japanese yen, and the market last week broke above this downtrend line, but curiously enough stopped exactly at a previous high. You can see the candle right here, and we have a previous high right there of 103, and the market promptly traded up to 103 and reversed slightly. So although we have a break of this triangle here, for this market to remain bullish, the market would have to close above 103, the 103 level, for further gains to happen in the Japanese yen. As when we're trading Forex, folks, the key is to identify the support and resistance zones, and what normally happens is that if the market fails at support or support holds, that could be a good buy signal in an uptrend. And if resistance holds in a downtrend, that could be a good sell signal. So I hope you enjoyed this edition of the Forex Market Update. If you have any questions, you can send me an email at info@acestrading.com. This is Beyond. Hope you have a good trading week. Thank you.